Hi guys, today I will explain 5 things that you should know while using the computer. Let's start the video. Optional updates. Go to Settings, click on Windows Update. Here, you will find additional updates. If any optional updates are available, please update them, as they can help you install drivers, fix bugs, and more. God Mode. God Mode is a folder that will give you access to a wide range of settings and controls in one place. Right-click on the desktop. There, you will find New, and then New Folder. As mentioned in the below/description, write the folder name as it is. Now, save and open it. You will find a wide range of settings in one place. Clipboard History. While you copy and paste, all the data is saved in your clipboard. Click the Windows key plus V to access previously copied data. If my PC icon is removed from the desktop, then you can bring this icon back through these steps. Go to Settings, select Personalize, there you will find Themes. In that desktop icon settings, select Computer from the list of options, click Apply to add it to your desktop. Snipping Tool. The Windows Snipping Tool is a useful software that enables users to capture screenshots in the form of images or videos. So to access it, click Start and type Snipping Tool. If you like my content, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to comment below. See you in the next video.